So if you want a particular gender for baby, is there anything you can do? Or rather, is there anything the couple can do for that to happen? Is there any guarantee?
No, the guarantee is based on IVF and balance sex selection is medical, but the other ones are done about the talent. Using your relation.
Yeah, but I know my friend even told me that she tried that, but it still didn't work out.
Exactly. So that one just got sense. So you still try it. I mean, we have all of them are girls.
Boys.
All of them are boys.
So that's first three now. That okay. So for people who usually have all these three play twins and all, when they pick two of them, is it automatically twins? You said that
You know, I think transfer at space. Usually, some people transfer for space.
Thank you. Oh, hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my, should I call it birth vlog, a delivery vlog? I don't even know how it's going to go because I don't know if the hospital will even allow me vlog and all those things. But anyway, today is what? Today is Wednesday. I think 8th of May. Yeah, today is Wednesday. I just dropped Brian off in school. Go home now. I noticed my contractions have started, but it's still about 20 minutes apart. You know, when it's just starting and all. So guys, I think baby is about to come finally, and I'm so happy because I want to be done with it. In fact, I'm done with this pregnancy already. So yeah, just dropped Brian in school and I'm about to start getting ready. My hospital bag has been packed, although there are some things I think I've not put the bottles and all, but I'm gonna do all that now. Ah man, guys, labor started. Oh my gosh, I'm scared and I'm my phone, oh Jesus, okay. My phone fell. Okay guys, I'm glad though, because like I said, I'm done with this pregnancy. I just want to have the baby and rest, get my body back. See how black I'm looking, and oh please, this mama needs to get back to slaying. Okay, so yeah, let's go and get ready. Today is actually even my antenatal. My antenatal is every Wednesday. Today is my antenatal. So yeah guys, so I'm still chilling now because the labor is not intense just yet. You need to just come and go. It's still about 20 minutes apart, you know, then it keeps coming closer and closer. I just pray that this one will be really fast. I beg, let me be done with. It started about, I think that was what even woke me up. It started about 5 a.m. this morning, but I was still a bit confused if it was contractions or not, you know. So I just said, okay, let me just, by the time I go and drop Brian in school and come back, I would see if I'm getting any more. But I think it's actually contractions because it's been coming and going. So yeah, let's go get this baby out. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you. I don't know how it's gonna be from here, but I'll see you guys when I get inside. Okay.
12 sleepless hours later.
Sorry. Welcome.
I worship thee. I will praise you for all you done for me. For you are good, the God of victory. So I will pray with all of me. Help me say it. Love everything. You died on Calvary. Your blood sets me free.